Come see this beautiful house for all it has to offer, and while you are here you just might fall in love with the land. Gorgeous 3.26 beautiful acres with mature trees and gently rolling terrain. A glorious country front porch and secluded back deck offers a paradise for those who enjoy spending time in the great outdoors. The home itself offers a kitchen to die for. You will love it. Beautiful gleaming flooring, bright and airy kitchen with white cabinets, and it opens to the family room. It would be easy to imagine the daydreaming that takes place while standing at the kitchen sink gazing out the window into the vista that is the backyard. A super spacious primary suite with a massive walk-in closet and huge primary bath, plus 3 additional bedrooms complete the upper level. Add in a mostly finished walkout level basement and you have a super spacious, well-rounded and modern home on a gorgeous wooded lot. You will want to see this home today.